Hello guys, welcome to Lana's Gaming. Today we're playing My Town Bakery, so let's get started. Today is Lily's birthday, and her family is going to surprise her with a birthday party. So first, we're going to need a cake, so we're going to head over to the cake store. There's so many cakes to choose from. Let's see. I don't know if she's gonna like any that's here. Do you like any from here? Don't get mad. We'll find some. You can customize your own cake. Yeah, let's go make some together. It's gonna be so fun. Come on, let's go. So this is where all the baking happens. Under here. Let's add some milk. Not nachos. Flour. And egg. Stir it all up. It looks like it's all ready. Now let's pour it in and figure out what we need. We need a cake. Okay, what should we do? Yep, that. Put it in there and shoot it up. Okay, now let's make some donuts. Pour in the milk, then an egg, and flour. Oops, forgot to mix it up. Mixy, mixy. Okay, pour it in. And we're making donuts. So find the donut. Okay, right there. Now we need to find chocolate. Where is the chocolate? Oh, right there. Okay, now let's put that in. Perfect. Let's go open that, put it in. Okay, now I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, Mia, the cake is ready. Now, how should we decorate it? I think those are for weddings. Not an ice cream scoop. How do you like it? Perfect. Definitely, 100%. Okay, now let's grab it and go. Let's put the donuts in. Let's throw that one away. Maybe put it all in this bag. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go, Mia. Okay, let's head over to the cash register. Hello, can you please check this all out for us? One free donut? You did the best, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. So her dad needs to buy pizza, so let's go. Wow, there's a lot of toppings to this pizza. Wait a minute, aren't you the same girl who was in the bake shop? No, wait. Oh, okay. So we need a large pizza. Okay. Some tomato sauce. Cheese, of course. And the extra cheese. Olives, bacon, and pepperonis. And a little more olives. Okay, wow, it's amazing. Let it cook for a little. done. This looks so delicious. Okay. So let's grab it and go. Thank you so much. She's really nice. Okay, this is where she works. This is her mini house. Wow, she has cool costumes in here. Okay. Oh, she has a little daughter. She's so cute. Okay, so what is she really doing here? Wow, you want a trophy for the best toast? Or best pizza crust? Or maybe bread? Oh. Oh, well, she got some angry off the phone. Oh, it goes up and down too. This game's amazing. Oh, what extra storage and everything. Wow, you even want a cake trophy. An alarm on top of things. You're so cool. Wow. Just look at the trophy. You can tell she works at the bakery. So, what do you really do here? You get dressed up. And you like to look nice? Ooh, lipstick. Are you gonna try some on? Oh. I can tell. Okay, let's look in that closet. Wow, you have a lot of funky outfits. Wow. It looks like we're done here. Now let's head over to the birthday party. Surprise! Happy birthday, Lily!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new.
The birthday party's not over yet. We still have a fireworks show. Come on, kids, get ready. Wow! Wow! Alright guys, you made it to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you guys want me to do another video just like this or a part 2. Okay, love you guys. Bye!